People ask us all the time what we do with all our sawdust, so let me show you. So out here we got a bunch of different trails that Marc has put together. He likes to ride around here with the gator with his grandchildren, and so we just give it back to Mother Earth. So we also got this pond back here that we put in. It's got a bunch of different fish in there. There's bluegill, bass, there's a couple carp out there. They're real shy though. And then we've also, every once in a while, there'll be a big blue heron, we call her Big Blue. And she'll swing out and fly upward out of the bank. And it's just so cool, it gets me every time. So that's what we do with our dust here at Marc Adams, and it just goes to show that besides having a beautiful facility, we also have a nice campus out here that you can get out and see the real countryside. So we'd love to have you if you want to go ahead and check out our website and maybe sign up for a class. It'd be awesome. Thanks.